This is Marlboro, right? This is nice. And the only thing is in my mind, like if you have a 8 foot, 7 foot long bar table, in one there.
You can put it. You can put.
You can put it, but
yeah.
separate computer.
Can be all together, but this separate computers.
They can be all together.
Yes.
You can like combine the imaginations, everything. Oh.
The module
Mm-hmm.
can be synchronized or can be independent.
Oh, I got it. But in that case, you shouldn't have these frames.
Absolutely not. Like I said, this is
Just for sample.
Flush.
Yeah, this should be flush.
right now we have it here. Then you can
And
see
if somebody drops something on this one, the water will be go down, and you will have
right now will
trouble.
go down.
Yeah. Otherwise,
But
it won't.
Otherwise, yeah. When it's flush, you seal and nothing goes on.
Yeah.
So this is a wood. But you
Mhm.
can, I mean, you can build up on anything.
Yeah. And
From-
if he develops that LCD one, there will be no problem then.
Yeah. Right now it's finished, but has to be made adjustment, has to put together. It's a lot of.
So on LCD, it's gonna be touch screen probably, or is it CCTV?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure how far you want to go.
Oh.
The problem is money.
The problem is money, huh?
The problem, like everything, is money.
It's hard to pay
Because
for know-how and.
when you do this,
Hmm.
the time that he spent and trying to recover the money is not sometimes not worth. He's an intelligent guy. To me, he's a genius. He made crazy things.
Yeah. So this is the remote for the projector,
For a
right?
project to turn around. When you will not have that here. This is just only you have a breaker and then you do whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I put water.